Well, Havila, as the last week it happened that ICMR has inspected labs in Telangana. So, what is the report of the lab says? And it is also, is it true that the infrastructure, human resource, infection, and the control measures and other facilities, which all including general hygiene, are not taken properly in the state? So, what is the status of the ICMR report, Havila?
Well, yes, Vasavi. Last week, four expert teams from the Telangana Medical and Health Department, inspected these private labs and also found large violations of different forms. And in conducting COVID-19 tests, well, the tests are being examined and also various aspects like infrastructure, human resources, infection control measures, and other facilities, including general hygiene. The team went through the registers and data uploaded by the labs into ICMR and Telangana state being valid, available, and lack of proper hygienic conditions. Well, the staff conducting the test for COVID-19 has not been tested properly in RT-PCR testing.
So here, as we are talking about the tests and the COVID-19 conduction of tests here across the GHMC and Telangana, so what is the status of GHMC here regarding the testing, Havila?
Hello?
Yes, Havila. So what is the status of GHMC regarding the COVID testing, Havila? So how is the test conduction? So as the private labs are restricted from COVID testing, and we have a number of people across the city who are willing to take the COVID test, and so how the willing people can go and where they can go, and how government is providing conducting this coronavirus testing, and if you have any free hospitals available in our city to give us any COVID testing for free and all. What is the update on it regarding GHMC, Havila?
Well, yes, there are hospitals like Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital in Medipatnam, Ayurveda Hospital in Eragada, Homeopathy Hospital in Ramantapur, Nazmia TB Hospital in Charminar, Area Hospital in Kondapur, and also hospital in Vanastalipuram and ESI Hospital in Nacharam are being tested at the testing centers. The tests are happening for COVID-19. And also, the Telangana government also served notices on 13 private laboratories in Hyderabad, which have been reporting abnormal testing results for COVID-19. And also, they are lacking adequate infrastructure. Well, there are no proper, infrastructure or whatever treatment. And also, the State Director of Public Health, Srinivas Rao, told that reporters, media yesterday that the health department had noticed huge discrepancies in the testing conducted by some of the private laboratories.
Well, Havila, on the same regards, like as Telangana has already faced a drawback that Telangana is conducting less number of positive COVID testers here in the state before, and then the Telangana has started rapid testing, and then again this abnormality of testing is being reported across the state, so by the private labs. So here in the same regards, what is the opinion of the Hyderabad people regarding the tests being conducted regarding the COVID-19 here in the city? Because many of the people so far reported that it is not well monitored by the Telangana government in terms of the testing, because by permitting a number of private labs for the testing, which is a very big step, and it must be taken with a certain proper measures. So but so far we have only 23 ICMR licensed labs across, and a number of private labs are still doing testing. So if the Telangana police are figuring out any private labs illegally doing testing without permission, and what is the feeling of Hyderabadis about the same?
Well, I agree to your point, Vasavi. Yes, as the number of COVID-19 cases in Telangana is on rise with each and every day. Like before it was really low, and the number of cases are rising with each passing day. And also, Telangana government has arranged, before they arranged free testing, COVID-19 testing at some hospitals in the state. And later, where we have like 23 private and also government hospitals are included COVID-19 tests But now as the cases are increasing, the testing, testing hospitals are also being closed, and also as Telangana has been struggling deal with coronavirus pandemic, and also the number of positive cases in the state continues to rise on the daily basis. And we could also see that the government has stopped the private labs to COVID-19 testing. So, and also the state has so far witnessed more than 17,000 positive cases of COVID-19. And also the numbers are expected to go up in the coming days. Telangana will actually recorded its highest single day spike in COVID-19 when as reported 1,018 people tested positive, and the death toll also reached to 267 in the state, with 7 more deaths as the burden on the healthcare workers in the state continues to mount. But also in the wake of large daily spikes of cases, Telangana Health Minister also Etila Rajendra shared a free list hospitals where there are only the COVID-19 test centers are happening for free.
Well, as we talk about the hospitals, government hospitals and the COVID-19 testing. So, like as the private hospitals are restricted for COVID-19 testing, so generally now people have to rely on the government hospital for the test, to take the test. So here on the same line, how the hygiene and the infrastructure is available at the government hospitals of Telangana, and how far it is safe for Hyderabadis and the Telangana people to go and take tests at the government hospitals.